Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra. I am all about love and I just want to see my people win. So I hope that you subscribe and stick around. I don't know if I ever mentioned this, but I do have multiple passions. So I don't want to be put in a box and only teach on credit. Yes, I am a board certified credit consultant. Yes, I do teach you how to repair your credit yourself, and I also do it for you if you simply just don't have the time to do it. But it's other things that I have about myself that I would love to share. And two of those things is I'm currently on a fitness journey. I am on a weight gain journey, and once I do reach the results that I set for myself, I'm going to share that. I'm going to tell you guys, what I did, what I ate, and the workouts routines that I did. Also, I am growing my relationship with God day by day. So I might have a sermon that I want to tell you guys what I learned from, what I read about, how I'm studying, or just anything motivational, inspirational, whatever the case might be. I want to come and share it with you guys. Like I want to create a family, and I don't want to just be in a box and only talk about credit. So when you come to my channel, you're gonna get a little bit of all three. If you guys want to know specifically about anything, please don't hesitate to let me know that, and I definitely will do a video about that. But I am gonna put out a lot of credit because I feel like a lot of people need to repair their credit. There's no reason anyone should have bad credit. It's a lot of information out here, a lot of free information. You just have to take the time and you have to focus and you have to stay committed and consistent and do it, and you will have the results that you need. The reason I know this is because I did it myself. I fixed my own credit as I spoke about in one of my previous videos. But today's video, it is about credit. I just wanted to speak on this video. Should I add my teens to my credit profile? I don't know why, but I do attract a younger crowd. I attract a lot of teens. Most of the calls I get is how to build my credit. What credit card should I apply for? And I don't know if it's because I have, younger siblings and I didn't taught them what they need to do. So, other people see it and want the same for themselves, or it's because I look young and I'm not. I promise I'm 32. Um, so yeah, let's talk about, should you add your child to your credit card? I recommend to only do this if you're paying your bills on time, you do not have any derogatory marks, you're making sure that you're reporting a low utilization, 10% each month on your statement date. You're responsible, you have good money management. That is the only way I will add my child to my credit card. And I will wait until my child turns 17, because if you do it younger than that, you don't know what the future holds. And you just don't want to mess your child future up. So wait until they're 17 and then you can go ahead and add them. Now, if your credit is not so good, don't be discouraged. I do recommend that you need to sit down, reevaluate your life, and start working on your credit. First, you need to pull a copy of your credit report, figure out, what collections, charge off, late payments. You need to figure it out and fix your credit. Like I stated before, there's no reason for anyone to have bad credit. It's so much information out here that you can literally get for free. So you're going to work on your credit yourself. Second, for your child, it's okay. When your child turn 18, you're going to have your child, or if you're a teen out watching this, when you turn 18, you're going to apply for either a Discover credit card. They have a secure credit card, or rather you're a student, you're going to apply for the Discover student credit card. You also have Capital One. But you pretty much can get approved for any secured credit card. You are going to, well, once you get this credit card, you're going to make sure that you're paying your bills on time. You're going to make sure that you're reporting a low utilization, 10% each month. In addition to that, sorry, you're going to get a credit builder. A credit builder is such as Kickoff and Self. A credit builder is when you get a short-term loan. You're basically paying yourself. So they're gonna deduct the $25 lowest a month for 12 months. At the end of the term, you're gonna get this money back. It's just proven to the credit bureaus that you can pay your bills on time. It's building your credit. It helps you in the long run. So I do recommend it, and yes, it does work. So you're gonna do this, and as long as you stay as long as paying your bills on time, your credit will rise. Now, like I stated before, I do have siblings and I do have teen clients, of course, and I do these same exact step with them. For my brother, for instance, um, after he turned 18, I believe 6 or 7 months or so, he went to the car lot. He was able to get him a car. He needed no co-signing. He did it all by himself, and he was 18. So again, follow these steps and make sure that if all the traits I named before, if you don't have, the good credit, if you have derogatory marks, if you're being late, basically, if you're not responsible, please do not add your child to your credit profile because you do not want to mess their credit up. So that's pretty much all. It's pretty simple video on should you add your child to your credit card. If you guys have any questions, if there's something particular that you want me to go over, credit related, fitness related, or even with God, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I will love to assist you all. If you need help on your credit repair journey, please, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I do offer free consultations. I will literally talk to you over the phone, go over your credit report, and assist you through the whole process on what you need to do. So again, hope this video helps. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.